People filing their taxes are getting a big surprise this year, and it's not in the way that they would like.
It's the first tax season since the Congress adopted the new federal tax law. Some Americans get bigger tax breaks. However, there are also fewer deductions and exemptions for some taxpayers. The IRS issued a new tax withholding table to make up for some of those losses. One local accountant says it's backfiring on a lot of unsuspecting taxpayers. Fox 18's Tahira Rahman joins us in the studio with what's changed. Tahira?
Jim, Tiffany, Rick Ulrich is president of Ulrich and Associates in Davenport. He says the new tax code combined with changes by the IRS are delivering a big blow to many neighbors.
There's going to be a lot of angst out there and a lot of very angry people.
Tax season looks very different this year for many of Rick Ulrich's clients.
Just calling to let you know that your returns are ready to be signed.
A lot of different questions in regards to the new tax law. We could spend 2 hours here easily talking about that.
For those who are self-employed or own businesses, the returns look good.
Substantial additional tax deduction. Many of them are finding lower taxes.
But for others, not so much. That's because the new tax code gets rid of some deductions.
One of the most difficult things that I've seen for a lot of my clients, like salesmen, construction individuals who travel around the country, is the elimination of what's called miscellaneous expenses or employee business expenses.
Ulrich says that impact is also being amplified because of the IRS's new tax withholding tables.
I hate to label it as a trick, but it almost is a trick.
It means the government took out less taxes from each paycheck. For many people, they're finding out that now they owe money.
They never even look at this information until they prepare the return, and that's when they figure out, OMG.
Sticker shock that Ulrich had to deliver to one couple on Friday.
Their tax situation changed from a $4,000 refund last year to owing almost $6,000.
It's something Ricky Smith noticed ahead of time.
They were taking less money out of my paychecks per week.
He's walking away with a lower refund than last year, but says he was prepared for it. Ulrich says if you end up paying Uncle Sam this year, you can avoid it next year.
Go to the employer and have that additional amounts withheld. I hate to see this paying 2 years in a row.
And for now, it might help to file early.
To at least determine what kind of pain that you might be existing here.
Now, Ulrich says there have been some tax reductions, but not big ones. So if you see a big reduction in your tax withholding between this year and last year, that's when the alarm bells need to go off because you could be paying more. In the studio, Tahira Rahman, Fox 18 News.